So I'm recording this as the other Aurora Borealis that I thought I was making is currently batching, because I'm pretty sure it's not going to turn out right. So I have another idea on doing it. I'm going to go ahead and do this video, and you may or may not see both of them. Depends how bad that first one comes out. As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes, and then spun out in the washing machine until it's damp. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing to start with. We're going to take the corner and then spin that up, or twist it up, and then just strap sinew down the line. Okay, now that we've got that, I'm going to divide this in thirds. What is that, about 12? So we're going to fold this at those points. And then either sinew or rubber band that together. Alright, take that off to dye. So I'm going to be using, where is it? Bright green, green MXEG from Custom Colors, fuchsia, seashell blue from Grateful Dyes, and probably some marine blue from Grateful Dyes, but we'll see. So I'm going to do the green and the red on this side, and then after that all melts through, I'll flip it over and we'll do the blues on the other side. I'm probably going to put greens here and maybe the reds like further down or so to get those two colors, and then the blues will probably be just splattered on the other side, but we'll see. Go ahead and put the ice in. Get that drainage hole in the right spot. Alright, go ahead and fill it with ice, and then we'll do the dye. Alright, we'll let that melt through. Alright, it's melted through. We're going to flip it over, and I think I'm going to add some robin's egg blue to it as well. We'll let that melt through. So it's been a couple of days. Let's go ahead and do this washout. All right. Here's first look. Go ahead and throw that in the wash, and we'll take a final look. So this is the one that you saw me making in this video. This is number 2 for the attempt for the Aurora Borealis, because the other video was the first one. So that's the front. Ignore this thing in my hand over here. That's the back. So then I went ahead, because this one was going, and I'm like, I don't think the positioning of the colors is quite right, so I'm going to do it again. And so I changed the position of the dies. This is what I ended up with. And that. So I'm going to leave both of these up here, if I can. I think I can. Woo! Can I? Sorta. Kinda, sorta. Okay, which do I prefer? I think I prefer this one. It's more pastel, but I think the results are better. And out of the 3, I think this one looks the best. This one's significantly brighter. There is some white. I'm just going to ignore the white that's in it. Significantly brighter. I like the fact that the flames are going both directions. That works really well on this. This up here is really muddy, and I don't care for this. This would have been the side that's facing up, actually, not down. Yeah, this should have been the side facing up. So I'm not sure why it's the muddy one, because that you would think would be a one that's lower, not near the top. If I could like take this top and put it up here, I could kind of get behind that. I like that these are going opposite directions. I think that looks cool. I don't have that going on really on this one, but this still I think looks better. I think that's going to be it for now for me messing around with the Aurora Borealis to see if I can do it. If you have some awesome idea or any kind of a suggestion on what I might be doing wrong to get the vision that's in my head that I can't demonstrate to anyone, let me know, and I might give it a try. Any other comments are welcome, of course, and until next time, thanks for watching.